Well, some Wattsburg area students are finding out that the best way to learn about nature is, well, probably to be out in it. Jocelyn Person joins us now live in the studio to tell us how they are doing this. Good morning, Jocelyn.
Good morning, Dave. Well, there's an outdoor learning space for students at the school in order to be in touch with what they're learning.
Time we can provide an outdoor learning experience where students can interact with nature that is right in their backyard. They're able to make more connections.
Wattsburg Area Elementary Center received a $50,000 grant from Senator Michelle Brooks to create an outdoor learning space for students. Teachers say the focus is on STEAM, which stands for
Science, Technology, Engineering, Agriculture, Arts, and Mathematics.
A student says outdoor learning can be fun while staying socially distanced from others.
It is really fun. Even though we're social distance and have to wear a mask, they still make it super fun for us to just learn out here.
The launch of the learning space began in September of 2019, but when things were coming together, COVID-19 had other plans. However, the teachers and students are utilizing it during these unprecedented times.
Then we came up collaboratively together to increase the idea of mindfulness, and we created the school labyrinth.
It's a wonderful thing when you're a principal. You want the type of school where kids are really learning hands-on and able to enjoy all the beauty that the campus has to offer.
The grant has also helped the school team up with different local nonprofits to teach the students. Dave?
Great program. Thank you, Jocelyn.